Conversation 1.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to learn yoga.
Well, be careful. Don't hurt yourself.
I won't. I'm taking it slow.
Why don't you take a class or watch a video?
No, I'd rather teach myself. I like learning things on my own.
Suit yourself.
Conversation 2.
So, where are you living these days?
I live near the beach.
Oh, rent is so expensive there. Do you have a roommate?
No, I live by myself.
Wow, that must be so nice to live by the beach.
It is. When I saw the apartment, I told myself I had to get it, no matter the cost.
That must cost a lot.
Not really. Because it's near the beach and my work, I no longer need a car. So I save a lot of money on transportation.
Well, that must be nice.
Yeah, in a way, the apartment pays for itself. Yeah, in a way, the apartment pays for itself.
Conversation 3.
Can I have another cookie?
By all means, help yourself.
These are so good. Did you buy them?
Oh, heavens no. I made them myself.
Wow. Well, you outdid yourself. These are delicious.
Well, I'm glad you like them.
Conversation 4.
What did you buy at the store?
I bought myself a new watch.
Oh, cool. What can it do?
It can monitor my sleep, and it never needs batteries.
It doesn't need batteries? How does it do that?
It recharges itself using solar power.
Wow. I need to get a watch like that.
You should. Sometimes we need to treat ourselves to something nice.
I like how you think.